Hey there fellow traders, if you're looking to boost your trading game and make those profits soar, you're in the right place because we're delving deep into the fundamentals of trading. Now, we've all heard the debate between technicals and fundamentals, but here's the secret. It all comes down to your trading style. But first, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss another video. Let's dive in. So to succeed in trading, you gotta master three things. The three pillars of trading. Those are the technicals, those are the fundamentals, and the all-important psychology. But how do you know how much weight to give to each of them? So let me help you out with that. If you're a scalper, technicals take the lead by a mile. For my day traders out there, you're in the sweet spot. You need technicals and fundamentals because you're going between 15-minute time frame to 4-hour time frame. So it really depends, and technicals and fundamentals are really going to be essential in your trading strategy for you to succeed. And obviously for the fundamentals, for our buy and hold traders, you're definitely going to need fundamentals. Fundamentals is your best friend. It's going to help you out with all the interest rates, all the main things happening in the market. You need to be updated to that so that you can make good trading decisions. Now, fundamentals might not be your sole focus today. It's not in your trading style. Maybe you don't need it. But let me tell you this. You need to know what's happening around your asset. It gives you real world news around the assets that you're currently in right now. It's super important to know. So I want to talk about that. I want to talk about how you can really be up to date on the fundamentals while being time efficient, while being super quick. I'm going to tell you all the secrets that I use in my day-to-day life, staying up to date on the fundamentals, on the real world news every day. So my first pro tip in staying up to date on the fundamentals, they're email subscriptions. Trust me, they work like a charm. I recommend that you sign up for market briefs. They're really good. Bloomberg, they're also really good. And if you're up in North like me, Wealth Simple. They come out every week and they're also super good. And by the way, I'm not getting a dime to say that. Now, the beauty of email subscriptions is its simplicity and its accessibility. You don't need to be scouring the web for all the details. You don't need to be reading news articles. They come to you in your inbox. Plus, these emails are designed to be short, simple, and easy to read. That means there's no jargon, there's no hard language, just the right information that you need to make the best trading decisions. Moving on, elevate your trading game by staying up to date on the economic indicators. Now, economic indicators are like the vital signs of the economy. They can give you a substantial edge over your competition, which are other traders and institutions. Let's take unemployment numbers as an example. So, knowing that information, you not only know the consumer sentiment, but you also know the real world news around it. That's going to be super important, again, to give you that edge because other people most likely don't know it and they don't know the impact that it may have on the economy. You know the impact and you make the right decisions. Inflation, on the other hand, they're literally a gold mine of information between knowing what the next steps are for the Federal Reserve. Given that interest rates are really high, guess what? Federal Reserve may raise interest rates. That information doesn't come easy for a lot of people. So point being, by staying up to date on these economic indicators, you not only know what's happening around the world, you also are able to make good decisions in your trading game. You'll see a substantial edge and you'll see a substantial increase in profits, just like the way it happened to me. Now let's talk about COT. Having access to COT data, which is a commitment of traders, is like having backstage pass to the biggest players like institutions, banks, and governments. Now, what makes COT data that special and that strong? Well, that's because on the COT data, it clearly shows you whether or not institutions are long or short or how they're feeling about it, whether or not they're neutral. That is a substantial edge. Most people don't even know what it's called. They don't know that it even exists. So basically, when you're scratching your head like I do a lot of times, not knowing where the market may move, you can definitely fall back on the COT report and fall for guidance. They're institutional traders. They have the education and they're licensed. Their open positions are online and easy to access. Use that as a resource and really use it as your bias. So COT data has been my guiding star throughout my journey and I hope it does the same for you. So there you have it, guys. Fundamentals of trading isn't just a nice to know, it's a must know. And remember, it's not just about one aspect. It's about the synergy of the three pillars that I talked about in the beginning. Those are the technicals, fundamentals, and the psychology. Keep those fundamentals in check and you'll definitely be in a better position than every other trader on the floor. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you watching the whole video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.